Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Now scroll down, tap on Vibrate for incoming calls, select Vibration options, and apply the best one for you. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. Now tap on the back button once, click on vibration intensity, and adjust intensity for your incoming call vibrations by tapping on one of those options. In my case, medium. When you finished, tap on the back button twice. Now click on Vibrate for notifications and select Intensity by tapping on one of those options, or disable haptic feedback for notifications by tapping on Off. Go back, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, select Vibration Effect at the top, and tap on one of those options, Dynamic, Standard, or None. Then go back and do exactly the same for your notifications. Lastly, scroll all the way down and tap on the switches next to charging sounds and vibration, touch vibration, and vibrates when another party answers or hangs up to enable or disable those haptic options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!